What these creams should do to you, it opens all the vibrational channel, opens all the nadis, you might have nadis. It unclogs them, and then when your nadis are working good, what nadis are receiving from the nature? Nadis are receiving the prana from the nature. Your basic vibrational food for your body is prana. We will talk more what prana is and give you more detail, but what I want to have now, I want to have experience of receiving prana, because this transdermal marma system is all about how to receive more prana and deliver more prana to different organs and systems. That's the whole purpose of transdermal marma system is. You are receiving prana from food, from water, from air, and directly from the nature to your, we have a marma here, we'll know, called Adhipati marma. That is kind of source of receiving all the prana. So you can, So try to be quiet now. It's a very, you can sit down also and do the same thing. Try to feel your, which nostril is breathing easy. Can you feel it? Or both nostrils are breathing same? Can you? Both nostrils are breathing same? Anybody has which right is breathing more and left is breathing more? Right is more. What would you? Both doing? What would you? What would you say? Even. What about you? Even? No? What would you? No, you, her. Basically, this cream should do even. That's what it is. I will tell you what it does. If you try a little bit alternate nostril after this cream, it should make you even. Huh? Yeah, it clears the nadis. The three main nadi we have, let me explain to you a little bit, then your experience will be even more better. We have a three main nadi, we have so many nadis, so many vibrational channels. Either we receive prana from there, or we deliver prana from these nadis, because this prana is a vibrational energy, and vibrational energy has to travel through vibrational channel, yes? So that's why we have to know a little bit about the vibrational channel. How many we have? That's a great idea, yes. Basically, by the time you get up, this will be absorbed by your body. Very powerful absorption. It gets into body. It's a transdermal delivery system. In 10-15 minutes, you will see body will eat it. Body will absorb it. It's all natural, very powerful, but sattvic. Skin likes to eat this. So, we will talk about 4 nadis today, 4 vibrational channel. you know about Ida, Pingala and Susumna. Have you heard of these three nadis? Ida is a left nostril, Pingala is a right nostril, and Susumna, the opening of this nadi, Susumna nadi, is top of the head marma, master marma, we say Adhipati marma. Adhipati marma is a master marma. Why it is called Adhipati means the master. And how to identify that marma? Go to the center of the head, and then wherever you feel little warmth, warmer, very easy, center, top, like, and you see warmth there. See here. Warmth, you feel warm, you are too back. No, just center here. See the warmth there? It will be warmer than other area. It has to be warmer all the time. Because it is warmer means activity is on. You are keep receiving the prana. This nadi is primary source of receiving prana. You might have heard that there are rishis in Himalayas, even they can stop breathing, but still surviving, still alive, They can. Why? Because they are not breathing, because they are receiving all the prana from here. But you have to get to that state, Don't try it. You might have heard about the sun gaugers. They gauge sun and they breathe and they get a lot of prana from that. Yeah? These are all true. These are not like what do you call that? Fiction. This is not a fiction. It looks like a fiction because you have to attain, you have to grow that much. So primary source of receiving prana, which goes on and on, whether you are walking or sleeping, or it receives. But it receives from this Adhipati marma, and then it travels to the whole area and then goes to the spinal cord. A spinal cord, the nadi inside of the spinal cord is called Susumna. You will get all these things. I'm giving you a little experience, that's why I'm giving you a briefing. Susumna nadi is inside of spinal cord, which is receiving the prana and delivering the prana to every organs and systems. Every gap between vertebrae has three marma points. Marma points are the switches to deliver the prana. The switch, the outlet. So this Adhipati marma is receiving prana from the nature, going through whole spinal cord, and in whole spinal cord between two vertebrae, the gaps are there, the marmas are there, which is delivering prana to all organs and systems. And that I'm teaching in transdermal marma level 3, all about the spinal energy and delivery. And then from air, from breathing, we receive soma, cooling energy, nurturing energy, stabilizing energy. From the left side, when the left nostril is breathing easier, means your body needs more soma. Your body needs more cooling, nurturing energy. When right side is